Good.
Yo, blood, me see you, brother. Me see you, take what the color you put in your vehicle.
Hey, man, you know where you watch. Dancehall. Hey, welcome, people. Dancehall skilla there again. Blessed manners and respect to each and every one. So, my people, I am going to present a video to you. And the video that I'm about to present to you have been posted on social media for your subscribers. So, when I first saw the video, I wondered if the video is of a real situation or what. And based on some words that have been said in the video, and based on certain things that I saw happen in the video, I got the understanding that the video is about a situation where a person had been caught in the act of stealing. However, some words that me hear a person say in the video have me wondering what that person was thinking. And a person we can hear talking in the background of the video said some words that gave me the understanding that the person basically said or point out that a female was inside of a motor vehicle that I can see in the video. Now, I don't have any confirmed information to determine where the video had been recorded during subscribers, but in the video, me hear when a person said Cayman or Grand Cayman. So I ask my people, but anyways, let's take a look at this video. Because there's more to the situation than what I just explained, based on what I understand. So look and listen to the video for yourself. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Yo, blood, me see you, brother. Me see you, take what the color you put in your vehicle.
Yeah.
Take out the color you put in your vehicle, two damn thief. Take out the color you put in the vehicle. Two damn thief. Look at this man here. Come to farm this time of night, stealing. Eh? Look at him. See me here? See me here, Grand Cayman?
Yeah.
See me here, the world where I look for you now. Eh? Mash up what kind of phone? Look at him. Stealing my color this time of the night.
Are yours?
Eh? Let me look at this man stealing color. Look at him. See him license plate, yeah? See him license plate number, yeah? Stealing callaloo this time of the night. Eh? Why you come my farm come thief, brother?
I don't come tell someone something to cook. That's
Eh? You need something to cook in an axe, man, this time of night?
I don't know you know.
Eh?
Surely been something.
This time of night? This time of night you come in here, come Steve. Eh?
You can get it back if you want.
Take it out and put it there, sir, man.
Better your axe, for real. Better your axe. Well, there's more to the situation, my people. Look and listen.
Go on, man. Go on, go on. Go on, man. No, fist nothing, man. He's a damn thief. Go on, man.
Don't put man on my road, man.
Go on, where you go, man.
Shooting there, right?
Come and throw a stone upon you.
Yes, man.
You should look back a while ago. But people, hold on.
Go on, man. Go on.
Okay.
Who are worse? You see me?
Look at
Same
the
face,
stand up, my people.
Come down farm, come thief this time of night.
You see things back there?
You don't know right for coming to my farm, brother.
I apologize once again.
Eh? You want something to eat in your ox?
Nobody was there.
Lift up bonnet like saying carry button and come and farm, come thief. Eh?
Come see.
Look on the wall. Look at the wall.
Big garbage bag, eh? Look at this man here. Big man like you. Eh?
Go to see things. Gonna come help you plant them back tomorrow?
Man walking.
They threatening you because you know what? You're right. It is what?
Come on, leave the community now, man.
There's more to the situation, my people. Keep looking and listen.
My apologies, yeah?
Go on, man, go on, just go on, man.
Don't put me on my road.
I'm not clearly hear.
Damn callaloo thief.
Not clearly.
See you get back to something, right?
What?
Don't worry, the police will come and give a visit.
Give me a visit for what?
What are you saying?
You see what? Say that you need to take it in.
Hold on.
Yes, you need everything. Okay. If you are doing that.
Well, I know people, there's more to the situation than where you just sit. Just keep looking, keep listening.
Carry the man come in at night. From thief, look there. The skillian, the man come from thief. Skillian.
Skillian.
Skillian call you.
What your name? What your name?
My name is Dr. Robert Russell. Yeah? All I want to do is some calling.
I'm Skillian,
You call me. You see? Dr. Robert Russell in my name.
What
May I call you there?
people? What am I?
Okay? If you want me, I come here.
Well, I'm so point out certain things, but there's more to the video.
Go on, man, go on. Leave the community.
Well, there's more. Well, this is...
Back, I'll call you back if you feel that way, right?
What?
Alright, sir? My number is 322-4657. Yeah? If you need help to find it back, I'll help you find it back, okay? Alright, brother? 322-4657.
You wonder if because the person has certain distance from the device where video record why I may not hear the person clearly certain ways. Me I wonder. Oh, watch this. Listen to people. I'm not sure which part, but listen. Kind of light there inside another video. It's something bright.
And him have a woman inside here. Look here. Him have a lady in the car. See her there hiding her face. Him have a lady in the car. Watch here. Two of them stealing. Look here. See her hide her face. Damn thief.
So this video have me wondering certain things. That also look good. So people, I hope you can understand why I wonder certain things, or I wonder at least one thing based on certain things I see happen in the video and based on certain words said in the video. So the person we seen in the video have on jewelries, people. We see even the motor vehicle. And then that now it have me wondering. So when we look and listen to the video and me start to think certain ways, me decide say I'm gonna read some of the comments that we see in the comment section where the video has been posted on social media. And let me tell you some of the people, some of the comments that we read. Let me say OMG at least one point. Let me read words from at least a few. See? So, words in one of the comments are: this same person was run out by my husband when he found him stealing the produce from my husband's farm. So, it's not that he is hungry, it's his way of living. Then he goes and sell the stolen produce to make money for alcohol and drugs. He is from East End. He is a trespasser and thief. Stop making the romantic stories about he is hungry. He is not innocent, and somebody need to stop this shameless man, or he is gonna find somebody that will not have mercy and he will learn his lesson. That's a one comment the rest of my people. So I say, let me read another comment. See? So, words in another comment are: I'm happy it's not a Jamaican because you wouldn't hear the half. Words in another comment are: from East Indian mangoes to CALLALOU, the stealing and the excitement never ends. Only more comments to my people. I'll just read from a few, right? So, my people. The person who is believed to be the person who somehow found out that the person was stealing, in my point of view, that person behaved in a good way. You know what I mean? Didn't do certain things, didn't act a certain type of violent way and all the things that I think the person did something good there. You see, because in my point of view, no. I know that some people might think certain ways, but in my point of view, I don't believe in violence, and I don't think violence make anything better. So I think that person acted in a good way based on the situation we see in the video and so forth. Is the best. But as for the other person, OMG. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a person who was holding an object that is believed to be a machete was behaving unfriendly towards a person who was holding an object that is believed to be a gun. And the person who was holding the object that is believed to be a gun was wearing a type of uniform. The person is believed to be a law enforcer. Viewers and subscribers. Now, based on certain things I'm see happen in the video, I said to myself, that person who was holding that object that is believed to be a gun might be a good person. That's how I said to myself. See? And I respect anyone who can control one's self from doing certain things that can cause bad situations. Yeah, I think that's the best way we can say. But people, when you look and listen to this video for yourself, tell me anything about this situation. I don't have any confirmed information to determine where the video will be recorded, and viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with my people.
Good. Young, rest yourself, boy. No, you can't. Shoot me, shoot me, I ain't not doing that, boy. Shoot you. This to be the same as you. Young, baby, yourself, boy. Young, baby, yourself, boy. He comes from me. He comes from me. He comes from me. Real strong, you know. Man, get the cutlass, put the cutlass. Hey, you come me. You come me. Good. I need to back in here. I just go back here, bring a back here, back like a night. Hey, man. Ji मैं कहाँ allegation no. No, by me next year. Just like that. You know why do you camera? Me start right. I the cool man. You shoot me, chef family, shoot me. Chef family, shoot me.
No, calm yourself down, calm yourself down.
Hey, come in here, you don't know.
Leave yourself.
I need more people here.
You know Jay
He go make allegation here. Wait, come to us now. If you have if you're more, the man like how you grab. Peaceful arrest, the man call him and say, simple. Good. Come on, pay I don't represent your grandma. I don't represent your job. Are you friend of your Baji? Listen me, please. I start with Baji. Baji is your friend. Good afternoon, good day. Oh, the cover is
So that's simple, simple.
Hey, you ask the back so who Gaza, man? Baji Gaza. Hey, give me that phone. Who do you want Gaza? Hey, I left the phone. Alright, go on.
My people, you see the person who was holding an object that is believed to be a machete did something that I think was dangerous to my people. Yeah, I think so. See? Yeah. The way the person make a move while holding the machete, while the other person hold that object that is believed to be a gun. You my people. I don't know where that video be recorded, my people. I am not from the country where that video be recorded. I'm not saying that in no bad way. You know, I'm not from the country where the video be recorded. So therefore, I'm not able to even totally identify the type of uniform where the person was wearing certain ways. But me see where the video had been posted on social media with these words. You know, if that was a black guy with the cutlass, the police would have already shot him. Those are the words I see where the video had been posted on social media. See what I say? So based on the words I'm going to read, there's some people. See, my question to viewers and subscribers who might have an understanding about this type of situation or the video itself. See, if that was an African descendant who was holding that object that is believed to be a machete or a cutlass, do you think the person who was holding the object that is believed to be a gun would have shot the person? And the reason why I ask that question is because of the words when we read that had been posted along with the video on social media. In my point of view, and based on those words when we read, I assume that there's some form of racism issue in that country where the video is recorded. But my people, now jump to the conclusion. Leave a comment or comments, let me know what you think. And I think here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.